Oh man. So we have Action 5 here, Pro. We are in 4K 120, the fast mode. I have the Mimo app here on my phone. But we do the camera only, we do a slow motion thing quick. Here I'm recording with this thing. And then I throw the frisbee here. Okay, so I have like a 9-second video. Stop it. So it's on here now. 9-second video. Right. Now I'm gonna do a screen recording here on my phone. And let's hope I don't get messages. So I put the phone screen here on this side, okay? Let's see this. So I go into album and I look at all the videos. Am I in my camera? No, camera album. There where you click on camera album. No videos cached. Camera album. Am I not connected? Connection failed. Oh. Okay, so let's connect to the camera. It wants to join. Good. Camera has been joined. There it is. So we are here on the playback mode. We are in the camera itself. There is this 9-second video here where I want to edit with this thing. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I slide here to the right and I go to the super slow motion button. And then I can go back and forth and I can, when the button turns, the plus button turns blue, I can start my slow-mo. So I want to do here, at this point, I push the start button. Oh, and then it's generating this video, the slow motion piece on the app, okay? So it's much easier here to add the button. And I don't know what's faster, the phone or the camera, right? And as you saw, I did not download the video from the camera. It's still on the camera. And it's very much possible that the camera is doing the work now and not the phone. That what we see here on the screen, this generating of the super slow motion, that is generated in the camera. And the phone is just displaying what's happening, you know? Not sure about this. But we are here at 80-some% already. I'm recording with this thing. Okay. So now we see here a blue area where there is a slow motion thing going on in here. We could check the check mark and then this video would be saved. We can also go here and do the minus button and then it will delete the selected super slow motion video clip. I'm going to cancel right now and just say OK. Now it's there. So once it's here now, it says still low resolution. We still have down here the yellow super slow motion button, but we can select here, look here, 4K resolution. We can add a watermark if we need to. Oh, the Pro logo here. There's several logos, look at that. That logo, watermark, okay. Resolution 4K, and then we click export here. Export, and then it's exporting this thing now in 4K to the phone. Here it says stay on current screen. Wow. Yeah, one has to play around with this to see how this all works. It's crazy. Done. So now this thing is on the mobile device, right? So in your photo library, it's in there. But so this thing now is downloaded, right? Here it says downloaded. You go in there, and when you go in here now, so after it was recorded, you cannot do a slow motion again. See that? The button for slow motion is missing down here. So go back. We go back to the camera. There is the 9-second video on here, right? When you click on this,
I'm recording with this thing.
Then you have the slow motion button, right? But let's go back. If you click on here,
I'm
and you say
recording
download,
with this thing.
whoa.
And then I thought,
See, you see the buttons up here. Whoa, no, cancel, not now. Cancel.
I'm recording with this.
Stop. Go back. When you select here, selection, batch select here, there, and then say download. So now it's downloading this file. Processing. I don't know why it does processing, how it comes up with that. So what I wanted to say was when you
I'm recording with this.
when you download this file first before you do the slow motion thing, then there will be no slow motion button. That's what I wanted to say. I don't know what's doing here now. This is other complications with the software, and it's crazy, like that you go in here and you do this slow motion thing, and then the button is not there. The slow motion button is missing. That is because you downloaded it first. So you cannot download it first. You have to edit it and then download it. And then it all stays together. It's super crazy.
I'm recording with this thing. And then I throw the frisbee here. Okay, so I have like a 9-second video. I'm recording with this thing. And then I throw. Okay, so I have like a 9-second. I'm recording with this thing. And then I throw the frisbee here. Okay, so I have like a 9-second video.